Good morning, class second. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, class, this is your maths period. Take out your maths notebooks. Write down today's date, 18th of January 2021. Then write down classwork. From today, we'll start a new chapter from our book. Our chapter number 11 is Time and Calendar. Time and calendar. Note down the heading. Use a sketch pen to write down the heading. T-I-M-E, time. A-N-D, and C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R, calendar. Time and calendar. This is our chapter number 11. Okay. So today we'll draw a clock in our notebook. Okay. So I have already drawn a circle. So take something like a bowl or a plate and draw a circle with the help of that object. Okay. Today we'll draw a clock in our notebooks. Done. Now write with me. 12. Then opposite to 12, 6. Then here 3, and opposite to 3, 9. Now mark 2 points here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, like this. Now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right. Now, between 12 to 1, draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, between 1 to 2, draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are done. Now draw a point in the center of the circle. Okay, like this. Now we'll draw the hands of the clock with the help of a red sketch pen. Okay. So firstly, draw the long hand from this point to 12. Okay. Use a scale like this. Draw the long hand of the clock from this point to 12. Now draw the short hand of the clock from this point to 8. Make it shorter than this hand. Okay. Like this. This hand is the long hand and this one is the short hand of the clock. Alright. Now decorate this clock by doing detailing. You can do anything to make it more beautiful. Now let us recall what we have already learnt in class first. Okay, so we use a clock to tell the time. It has two hands. The short hand is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. The short hand is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. The clock has numbers from 1 to 12 written on its face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the clock has numbers from 1 to 12 written on its face. The hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour. The hour hand moves from one number to the next number in an hour, in 1 hour. While the minute hand moves from one number to the next number in 5 minutes. This is minute hand and this moves from one number to the next number in 5 minutes. 5 minutes are this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So minute hand moves from one number to the next number in 5 minutes and hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour. Alright. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Write it down. 1 HOURR is equals to 60 MINUTES minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. SECONDS. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. Now in the clock, the minute hand is at 12. In this clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 8. Minute hand कहाँ पे है? 12 पे and hour hand कहाँ पे है? 8 पे. The time is 8 o'clock. तो इसमें अभी कितना टाइम हो रहा है? 8 o'clock. The time is 8 o'clock. The clock is showing the time which is 8 o'clock. So the time is 8 o'clock. The time is 8 o'clock. In short, we write it as 8, then 2 dots and then 2 0. Alright? In short, we write it as 8, then 2 dots and then 2 zeros. And the time that the clock is showing is 8 o'clock. Alright? Now what is your homework? You have to color this clock well or you have to make it more beautiful by doing some detailing or coloring it. Okay? Alright, class 2nd. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.